Hurricane Katrina leaves the New Orleans hospital struggling to stay in operation, struggling to tend to the needs of the tiniest, most helpless of its patients. Some of them have been brought to our city today. Karen Lehan has the story live from Children's Hospital tonight. Karen.
Mike, last night 4 babies were brought to UAB from a New Orleans hospital. Tonight 2 more are coming, and they're coming here to Children's. This video from UAB shows Katrina's smallest victims, critical care babies, former patients at Ochsner Medical Center in New Orleans until the disaster came. They were flown to UAB for medical care.
They said, we've got babies, we need to be evacuated out, and we need all the help we can get.
Nurse Jason Peterson runs the critical care transport team for Children's Hospital. He helped rescue 4 of the 26 babies in need of care Tuesday. Wednesday, this adult patient is flown in from Monroe, Louisiana. Peterson travels again with an incubator to get more tiny patients.
I'll tell you, the thing that sticks out in my mind when we first walked through the doors was there were 2 nurses on the phone at the desk right to the left, and obviously distraught. They're crying.
The hospital is on a generator with power promised only until Monday. The crew brings with it water and ice for the staff in a hospital without air conditioning.
A couple of small box fans, but at 125 degrees, that's just circulating hot air. The nurses are right now working in t-shirts, shorts, and flip-flops.
In a city where many have lost hope.
One of the nurse practitioners in the unit, she pulled me to the side and she said, "Is it really as bad as they say it is?" And I didn't know what to say, and she said, "No, you flew in from the air. Does it really look that bad?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am, it's bad."
Basically, I just hugged them and cried with them.
The medical team travels around by air. The overhead view shows human behavior at its best and worst.
And you see looting, you see fire, you see police EMS. There's just uncontrolled fires all over the city.
And at least 2 babies are expected to be in little beds here tonight. And some of the parents of those children were made aware that their children were being moved, but some of the babies' parents could not be contacted. So emergency consent was given, and that means that 2 physicians signed off on those babies being transported. Now at Ochsner, that hospital, a map and directions to UAB and to Children's were left for the parents, as were phone numbers here. We've got you covered live in Birmingham. Karen Lehan, NBC 13 News.
Well, some of Katrina's smallest victims find refuge at local hospitals. These 4 babies are critical care patients flown to UAB from Ochsner Medical Center in New Orleans. Ochsner has power for now, but not air conditioning. The heat endangered the babies in incubators. A team of UAB and Children's Hospital nurses flew to New Orleans to get the babies. They went back today for more.
It's just the hopeless, helpless. We can't help ourselves. These nurses, they're all drenched. They're pouring in sweat. They're in t-shirts, shorts, and flip-flops. They have all that they own now is with them. They say we're not going to be able to leave till Monday, Labor Day, and some of them don't have anything to leave to go home to.
An adult patient was also flown to UAB today from a Monroe, Louisiana hospital.